Last night I spoke to Robert Smiley, an Ottawa resident whose son Rowan and partner Kimberly must be tested for COVID-19 every 2 weeks, given their health conditions and caregiving responsibilities. Robert was worried about long lineups for testing today, so I asked him to tell Rowan to give me a call. I spoke to him this morning. Rowan is standing right now in an 8-hour lineup at Moody Drive testing facility in the West End. The lineup is more than 1 kilometre long. That was not a typo, Speaker. Rowan and Kimberly are currently in an 8-hour lineup. The first person for that lineup, Rowan tells me, arrived at 4:30 this morning. Rowan and Kimberly arrived at 7 a.m. and they might get tested by 3 p.m. this afternoon. I'm being told that people are parking kilometres away and walking to the line, that they're languishing outside, some with children. Folks are turning away at the sight of this massive lineup, which means they aren't getting tested. It's unacceptable. Speaker, to the Premier, what is his plan to reduce these lineups and open up testing right now?
Minister of Health.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the question. We have set up 148 assessment centres across the province in quite short order, and are very grateful to our hospitals for doing that in the midst of all of the other work that they have to do, dealing with COVID patients and helping out in long-term care homes. But we recognize that the lineups in certain areas, as you can tell from the questions that we've heard this morning, are getting to be very long in certain areas. So we're looking for other community partners to help us with this, to be able to take some of those lineups and divide them so that people don't have to travel far and don't have to wait hours in lineups. That is what the people of Ontario deserve and expect, because we don't want people to be turned away from having a test because of the length of the lineup. We are actively working on finding those partners right now and hope to have them in operation within the next few days.